Hello mga Bisaya! Nako sa auto karon. Oy, by the way, 360-degree camera ni ha. So pwede nimo tuyokon imong cellphone kung tanaw ka sa left or sa right, up, down. So kung naka sa imong desktop, i-drag na imong mouse na man cross dire kung naka sa YouTube or Facebook, pwede rin mo i-drag ang mouse to turn around tanaw sa palibot. So karon padulong ta sa ako ra di padulong ko modulag basketball with friends, Filipino friends and some other friends here. Kayo na, tambok na kayo. So this will be my first game of the year. So right, see ya. Okay, doon na ta. Okay na naman. Tara, hala, napag-volleyball. Doon na ta, we are approaching the gymnasium. Doon na ta sa gym. Dire. Kawat-kawat eh. Ang style dire, yung ganan ko sa style dire sa kanang sa mga kauban na mo kay first come first play basis. So kasi una, maabot, sulat sa iyang ngalan. 1 to infinite na depende pila ka book maabot. Dayon. So, first 10 mo, una mo dula. Wala pa to da. Okay, nabot na ta. Palong. Alright. Padulong ta sa lod. Now. Thank you. CR. Wili sa tawi. Terus sa CR. Hi, I'm here for Jeff's group. Thank you. So nailak. Terus na kasulod. Sa door, nailak. Sen sila ga-control sa door. So, ang mga taga-gawas, maka-timer ako kung open din, masulod ka. Pero hindi ka registered yung court. So, na, si Baywarin, Baydan, tas Baywarin, no? Baywarin, no? Baywarin. GoPro? Garmin. Ito si Boss Jeff. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. How's it going? Happy New Year, man. Happy New Year. John, Happy New Year.
What's up? Am I famous?
Yeah.
I'm famous. Hey,
I had to raise it up.
Hollywood.
This is Jonathan. Happy New Year, man. Happy New Year.
I'm a copyright.
We should pay him. Sorry, we should pay him.
Musta na ba yan?
Yan na, mag-ilis ako. Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year, everyone. Sana, tudiri rin sa gym. That's a two, right? Alright, scorer atong show karon. Ilahi man ka. Ka number 11 ko. So wala ta, next game. 10 minutes man ka na game.
Lingaw kay na time. Stretching sa.
Break pa ko. Ako ka-shoot kanina kay naroon akong battery. So nata sa gym, saka na nila screen. Kami nila yung last group. Woo! Alright, here we go. Sepiat ba? Hallelujah na. So ang dula dire, wala referee high. Dahil ang gawa sa tunga, marbag dubol-dubol. In short, honest na ito dire. Sinamo ko dire. So let's just by the maybe. Taman may alas 11, so napay 30 minutos. Kaya paning doon rin, bugnaw kayo. Nabili na akong battery sa skinan. Gawas ko bugnaw kayo, nasiraan ba dyan ko? Kasi mabot ng tag-indus ka mo sa mga gamit na sa pikas ko. Kita akong mapawan eh. Let's by Warren now. By Warren. 3, 2, 1.
game. Nice game.
I need to take someone a little slower.
What, Josh? Sorry.
I'm dying. Post-game interview. Yeah. I would say give 110%. Try to stay with my teammates and give 110%. And yeah. Give 110%.
Alright, so next game. Friday next.
5-0 today. 5-0. Autograph
Nice.
game. Yeah.
Nice one.
No comment.
I gave 80%. I didn't get in. That's all I care about.
We do it for the fans. We do it for the fans and the family. We do it for the fans and the family. What are you gonna say, man?
Gini ba? Bisaya, gini ba?
I'm saying it. Bye. Tawagan ko.
Ito yung boss Jeff. The man.
Nice game.
Yeah, thank
Match
you.
basket.
Thank you, Jeff.
Thank you, then.
Say something. The highlight.
Hi, YouTube.
And the most valuable player of the night. What's your name, man?
Bruno.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Man, good job.
Nice to meet you.
Send it to me.
Yeah, I don't know, but I'll edit this tonight and then.
Edit it. Put my face.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I think I got like a shot.
Put my head on the top of his head.
Like pause the scene and then enlarge your face.
Highlight. The highlights. That's a good shot.
Alright, daghang salamat.